gonna have leftovers or just some hamburgers and then tomorrow do leftovers?
There's not much left.
No, that's what I figured. And Stephanie might not be right at the house right away, so if she's not, I'll just wait for Kayla to start. And then I'll come back.
All right, that's done.
Okay.
Tasting like syrup. Let's get another one of those. That is really good. Well, guys, first time I've done it in 20 years of making syrup. I burned the entire pan of syrup. I went to bed. We got some major storms that rolled in last night about 8 o'clock. I had a little bit of fire, not much of fire, and I had 2 inches still in this pan, and I flooded it, put the lid on it so the steam would drip back in. I don't know what to do. It's I don't even know how to clean it. I got a little, dang it. Well, it's ruined. So thanks for coming along with my 2025 syrup season. What not to do. Don't F it up like I did. 20 years of doing this, and I've never burned a batch. I know most people who have. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you can... Any suggestions? I guess I'm going to have to just melt it all out. Start a fire again. All right, guys. Take care. We'll see you at the mill next time. See you out here screwing up stuff. Oh, it's burned. So as I'm sitting here contemplating my decisions of last night, which my decision was either get soaked with 50-mile-an-hour winds and rains. I had an anvil sitting on top of that top, had the fire about out. I have to clean all this stuff up now. This pan, I hope I can save it. I might be able to. At first I was thinking it was going to be pretty bad, but it seems to be coming off. I got hot water in it, and I'm going to keep it heated up, and I'll just keep replacing the water throughout the day, just like I'm boiling syrup again. But we're not boiling syrup, now we're just trying to clean my mess that we make. But yeah, you know, it doesn't always go smooth. And, you know, that is 100% my fault. A sugar shack is needed. I've been doing this for so long with just this type of little pan just like this. Only a couple gallons a year. I think the best year, maybe 3.5 or 4 gallons, but we were probably looking at 2 gallons, 2 to 3 gallons. It was looking pretty good. You know, we had that stuff that went through the reverse osmosis machine. But you'll have that, guys. You'll make mistakes in life, and hopefully I'll learn from it. I should have never made it. And if you do maple syrup, don't leave it unattended. Let's see how this pan cleans up. You know what the worst part of all this is I have to go collect all these buckets and spiles and tubes now. And didn't get anything for it. So we have a bunch of them out here. So let's start right here. Sap's about done running. So, well, the sap is done running. Well, after hours and hours of scrubbing, I think we got her pretty good. I even cleaned all the soot off of it for the most part, all the carbon buildup. Much better, much better. Maybe again in 2026 we'll boil. All right, that'll do it.